This is the unboxing of my August 22 Paper Pumpkin kit. Every month it's different. It's always a surprise. This month is called Sweet Sunflowers, and oh my gosh, look at the box. The box is awesome this time. I'm going to use this. I'm going to save this and use it to store something in because the box is so pretty. And look at this. Every month we get one little ink spot, but this month we have two. So our ink spots this time are crushed curry and soft suede. So this is the stamp set that we get this time. We have this beautiful sunflower and something that can be the center. We have a leaf and a couple of other, and a little foliage thing. And look at that cute little bee. There's another cute little bee. Oh my gosh, so sweet. And then the sentiments this time are hello. I love having hello in a set, so generic. For a one-of-a-kind friend, wishing you much happiness, and thank you. Oh wow, these are great generic sentiments. You know, Paper Pumpkin is just a great way for people to start. And if you are already a subscriber, wait until you see the awesomeness that you can do with that stamp. Cool. Oh my gosh, look at this. We got a free gift this time. Okay, so if you are a subscriber, you're gonna, and haven't opened your box yet, you're gonna rush to it and say, what is my free gift? Ah, this is so cool. Some silver backing that you can use in a honeycomb shape to match those little bees. If you're not a subscriber, I'm so sorry, you can't go back and buy this kit afterwards. With Paper Pumpkin, you have to make the purchase ahead of time. Now there's one potential way to get this. If you become a subscriber, then you can always go back and buy refill kits. So if there's a refill or extras available on that, then you might be able to end up getting this kit anyway. But the refills are only available to subscribers. Look at this imagery. Isn't this pretty? Oh my gosh, it's just my colors, the dark greens and the yellows. Oh, and next month is going to be all about Halloween. And then October and November are going to be Christmas. Everything comes hermetically sealed with the instruction sheet on the back of the package. And contained inside is everything you need to complete the projects. Well, you might need a little bit of your own adhesive, but a lot of times the adhesive is included in here. All right, there are the directions. So taking stock of what we have, you always, if it's a card kit, they're not always card kits. If it's a card kit, you're always going to get envelopes. Sometimes they're rather plain. This month, they are definitely not plain. Look at the beautiful imagery on these envelopes. Now, there is a Facebook group for people who are fans of Paper Pumpkin, and if you go on that group, you're going to find that a lot of times what people will end up doing is cutting apart these gorgeous envelopes and using those as parts on a card as well. And then just putting your finished card in a plain envelope. But oh my gosh, these are so, so pretty. Okay, so if it's a card kit, you get envelopes. Card kit, you get the card bases, and they come pre-scored. This kit, it looks like we're going to have 3 different designs, and we're going to have 3 of each. So this is one design. This is a second design. And again, if you go on that Facebook group and you watch, a lot of times what people will do, because look how this is decorated, a lot of times people will cut this apart and just use these 2 and make 2 cards out of it and use these as card fronts on white cardstock. I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do. Wow, look at this. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And then here's the third one. Okay, so cards. And then in addition to cards and envelopes, you get all the stuff that you need to create the card. So we've got these little punch out. These are vellum punch outs that look like honeycomb. And then we've got little punch out bees and flowers and more flowers and lots of bees, punch outs. And then you have punch outs in the right shape to stamp some sentiments for the front of your card. And then, oh wow, look at this. It must go on the green one. That is so, so pretty. And then with this kit, you also have this extra bit of decoration for your cards. For people who are unfamiliar with Paper Pumpkin, these are adhesives. So these tiny little things are double sticky foam that you just pop off and you can use to raise up an element on the card. And then these are little double sticky glue dots. I am super excited about this. I can't wait to start making these. These are gorgeous, gorgeous cards. If you are currently a Paper Pumpkin subscriber and aren't part of that Facebook group yet, I'm going to put the link in the description on, well, whether you're watching it on YouTube or Facebook, I'll put the link to that. But you got to check out that Facebook. You got to check out that Facebook group. Those people are so talented and so creative, and they come up with so many different ways to use the parts of the kit in case you didn't like the cards that was the original project, and just because they like to play. And of course, you're going to have a stamp set now that you can use for a bunch of things. Wait till you see the little instruction video on how to use that stamp. It's awesome. And for the record, the directions are not just the pictures of the finished projects that you see on the front. The inside has step-by-step instructions, step-by-step to the point of actually showing you with those little black dot. That's telling you where to put the glue dots. And when you see these little hexagonal shapes, on there, that's telling you where to put the dimensionals. So these are 2 forms of adhesive. You'll notice there's a ruler printed along the side that comes on every Paper Pumpkin kit. It's just the standard template that they use. Some of the kits include ribbon. This particular kit didn't have to happen to have a ribbon, but it gives you step by step. Number 1, open your ink pad, put the stamp on the block and stamp on this shape. 2, add the adhesives to this punch out piece, and then it gives you the visual on putting everything together. And then on the front, you can see what the finished project is going to look like. So you get that for each of the 3 projects. And then this one down here actually has a special technique, a twisting stamp technique for that sunflower. I actually showed that in my Facebook Live on Monday the 22nd. So if you find my Facebook page, you can watch how that's done. And then on the back, it gives you a visual of all the product that I just showed you here. It gives you a QR code where you can follow to watch a video that shows the detailed instructions for making this kit. And then there is a website where you can see alternate projects that are made using some of the product that's in this kit and some other coordinating product that Stampin' Up! Sells. Because of course this is a Stampin' Up! Product, and everything in this kit, all of the colors, they're going to match the Stampin' Up! Colors. And if you have any interest in getting the next couple of Paper Pumpkin kits that are coming out, again, I'll put the link in the description for how you can go about subscribing. Hey, this is Katie Johnson. Have an incredible day, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.